Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, in this video we'll see how to reduce your unwanted background noise from your audio. While shooting for a video or recording a video, many background noise from vehicles, constant noise from boring water or some constantly vehicles are going or some fans noise, AC noise which are almost constant while you record your audio or video for that matter, then how to reduce those noise? Well, let us go to laptop and see how to do that. Well, first of all, I will create a video where there are noise, or for that matter, create an audio. So here, for example, I'm using this Magix. I do all my videos in this software. I'll create something which has a lot of noise. Well, I have recorded a noise in my mobile from by running a mixer. I will just play it while I speak and create a video here. So let me do that. I will record audio. So I start recording. Hello friends, welcome to infotainment. Well, here in this video I'm just creating an audio file where I will record my voice along with noise so that I can later take out that noise and show you or explain you how to eliminate noise from your audio or from your video. Here what I'll do, I'll stay for a little time. I'll just pause a little while so that I record only noise instead of my voice. So I'll wait for 10 seconds. So I wait for 10 seconds and this is what the noise sample I have created. So I'll end this noise sample here. Thank you. So friends, as you can see, this is my recorded sound. Okay, I'll just edit it. I'll start it from noise itself. Hello friends, welcome to infotainment. So as you can see, I have created a 10 seconds noise here, sample. So basically what I'm saying is, while you record your video, if you know that there is some noise coming in your background, constant noise, maybe it fan, AC or something which is not under your control, you cannot switch it off, but it is constantly happening, or wind blowing or making a large disturbance or noise, just pause for 5 to 10 seconds so that only noise comes. So the thing is, when you go to a software, to any software, it will first try to like distinguish between your voice and noise. So for that, if there is like 5 to 10 seconds of only noise, it will be very easy for the software to recognize that it is the noise. So therefore I just paused for 10 seconds so that only noise was coming, so that the computer recognize or the software recognizes that this is the thing that is noise and that it has to remove from the whole video. So here let us go and see how to do that. So I'll just export it. So I think this has been saved as an audio file. So sorry. So this is the audio file that I have created. I close it. So basically, you can use any software. The concept is first capture the noise, tell the system that this is the noise, and step two is just remove it. So let's go to PC. So here I'll be using this software called Adobe Audition. It's a very popular software. Well, you can do it in like Audacity or something else. But here for my usage, various audios or videos, I use this software Adobe Audition. So here what I'll do, I'll import that audio. Yeah, I'll import this audio. So as you can see, since it has recorded in stereo, so two things are coming. As you can see, this is my audio file. So this is my complete audio file. So if I play here, so here what I'll do, or for that matter in any software, as I've already told you, this portion, I have taken it as, I have paused for 10 seconds so that I could get that pure noise in my video to help the system, this Adobe Audition software, to recognize what is noise. So what I'll do, I'll just go to effects. In effects, there's something called noise reduction and restoration. I'll go for noise reduction process. Once I go there, it's showing that noise print unidentified. Please capture a noise print. To continue, this window can remain open during this process. Select an area of the waveform that contains only the noise to reduce. Press capture noise print button. Press the select entire file button for the noise reduction to apply to the entire file. So what I'll do, I'll just make you know that yeah, this is the noise. I'll just select this thing from here to here to help computer, the software, know that this is the noise. Then what I'll do, I'll click here, capture noise print. So the noise print has been captured. So as it is said, select entire file. I'll select entire file here, and what I'll do, I'll keep noise reduction 100, reduce by 100, and then I will just apply. If you want, you can go to advanced section also, like spectral decay, all these things. It takes some figures by default, no need to worry for that. And if you want to listen to only noise, press output noise only. Click. So this output noise, if I don't do, this is how I will get the output. You can see the noise has been completely eliminated from here. Once again, I'll show you. Just listen. So you saw that noise has completely been eliminated from this file. Once I press apply, if I do that, apply. So the noise, you can see that thick band has been deleted. You can see this noise is completely deleted, this band, what I'm showing you right now. So this is how you can eliminate noise. And finally, I can export this file to mp3. I browse and save it as final audio. Save, fine. So let me hear the output file, final audio. So you can so this is the final output, and this is the original noisy. Yeah. Hello friends, welcome to Infotainment. Here in this video, I'll just So friends, I hope you knew how I eliminated the noise or removed the noise from the file by just capturing the noise, telling the software. You can use any software, but this is the process. Step one will be you have to tell the software that this is the noise, and for that, as I said you, one tip is just have 5 to 10 seconds pause so that only noise comes in your video, and that will help you to select that band to tell software that this is the noise. And step 2 is just remove it. So this is how you can eliminate noise when you are creating some kind of good video or good quality audio. I have just exaggerated by increasing the noise, but there might be very feeble noise which will also be recognized by the software if you follow the steps. So friends, that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like this video and share this across various platforms so that many people come to know of this technique and method how to remove noise from their file, audio file or video file as well. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.